Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this video, we are going to solve this problem, that is obtain the node voltages in the circuit of figure 3.4. Here you are seeing the circuit on the screen. We need to find the V1 and the V2. This problem is taken from the fundamentals of electric circuits, Charles K. Alexander, Matthew N. O. Sadiku textbook. Okay guys, let us solve this problem. For this we are using KCL, that means the Kirchhoff current law. We know that the sum of the current entering the node is equal to the sum of current leaving the node. Here the current is entering here, it will move here and here. Okay, for that you simply write it as KCL at node 1. Okay, we know that the law says that the sum of current entering the node is equal to the sum of current leaving the node. For that, summation I in is equal to summation I out. Okay, yeah. I will slightly move this above. Okay, here write it as the current entering is equal to the input current, that is 3 is equal to, this is V1 minus 0. Here the voltage is 0 since it is grounded. Okay, V1 minus 0 by 2. Okay, and then plus V1 minus V2 by 6. Okay, yeah. Then we need to make this denominator as 1. I will slightly move this above. That means by doing the multiplication operation to this, if we multiply by 6 here, it will become 18 is equal to 3V1 plus V1 minus V2. Okay, and then here we write the 4V1 minus V2 is equal to 18. Let us consider this as equation 1. We draw some line here. Yeah, I will slightly move this above up, and I will slightly move this side. Okay, and then ACL at node to summation I in is equal to summation I out. The current entering here, that is this one, V1 minus V2 by 6, and the current move this side, and this side they have given, that is 12 ampere, right? That okay. V1 minus V2 by 6 is equal to V2 minus 0 by 7 plus 12. Okay. Here we need to make this denominator as well. For that multiply this one by 42. Okay. We know that 6 sevens are 42. Multiply it by 42. Okay. Yeah. And then I will slightly move this above. It will become 7V1 minus 7V2 is equal to 6V2 plus 12 into 42. Okay, I will open the calculator. 12 into 42. That will equal 504. Okay. Write 504 here. Okay. Write 504 here. Okay. Yeah. And then slightly move this above here. 7V1 minus 7V2 minus 6V2. Move this 6V2 here. Minus 6V2 is equal to 504. Okay. Yeah. 7V1 minus 7 minus 6 minus 13V2 is equal to 504. Okay. And then slightly move this above up. Let us write these two equations here. 4V1 minus V2 is equal to 18. That is equation 1. And then 7v1 minus 13v2 is equal to 504. That is equation 2. And then open the calculator and then clear it and then click on mode setup and then click on equation and then click on this one because it is in the form of ANX plus BNY is equal to CN. Okay, click on 1 and then you click on 4 here for V1, then click on is equal to, then click on minus 1, then click on equal to, then 18, then click on equal here 7, then click on equal to, then minus 13, then click on equals and then 504. Okay, then click on equals, then click on equal, that V1 is equal to minus 6 volt. Okay, V1 is equal to minus 6 volt and then again I will open the calculator, then click on equals. Okay, then V2 is equal to minus 42 volt. Okay, V2 is equal to minus 42 volt. Yeah, guys, I hope you understand the concept, how to solve this question. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I hope this video helped you. If you didn't, hit the like button, please. Hit the like button, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching, guys.